Hey girls and guys, it's Poppy here, aka Pop Let's Play, and I am back with my first video, and I am joined by Evie. Yeah, and make sure you go to her channel and subscribe. And so basically, yeah, we are playing 2-player Tycoon today. So basically, yeah, let's just like build. Oh, and also we got Evie's brother, George. He's not with us, but basically we're enemies, but he's probably not going to kill us because we're there.
Because we're going to make this rule that we're not going to kill each other because it's going to get too out of hand. But I can get this, so I'm going to...
Yeah, we're just going to like keep on getting everything. And we're making sure that we've got the biggest tycoon.
Yeah, and we're going to make sure that we win against everyone else who's going to get like tycoons.
Yeah.
Or make tycoons.
So we're hoping to complete this. If not, then that's fine. We'll just do stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah. People are killing me. We've got to build this tycoon fast.
Fast, yeah.
Yeah, really fast. So,
People are trying to kill us. What's killing us?
yeah. Alright,
Now we're just waiting for money.
yeah. How much money do you have? Oh, you have 1,000.
Other people are killing us.
Why us? Why us? Go for other people. We're just chilling our life. Alright, get this over here. Upgrade wall. It might hold them off.
I've done it.
No, you haven't.
Oh, okay.
Alright, oh,
Yeah.
alright. You've got a lot of money. I think we're good now. So I really want to get only door, and I want to get our first weapon. Like, I really want to get a good one. I think Deadpool gets my favourite weapon, and I won't tell you guys until we get it. But that's like on the 2nd floor, which we have to wait till. But anyway, what do I need? I need like 1,000 money, 1,000 cash.
Okay. I'm gonna put this cheap thing because
Okay, and by the way, guys, if you cannot understand my friend Evie, it's because kind of like we're FaceTiming and it gets really laggy.
yeah, so guys, if it does get like, please, I'm really sorry about it.
Yeah, usually we do videos next to each other, so it's not laggy, but today we can't. Alright, oh, 1,500 is all
I'm
I
gonna
need.
get the owner door and stuff.
Yeah.
Got enough, so then people can't get in.
Yeah, that's like my favourite build and thing. But I also like the weapons a lot, because you can find them.
I can get it.
Oh,
Okay.
Thanos is here. Make sure he doesn't come into our base. I just need 500 more cash. Well,
Yeah.
400 now. But
I need quite a bit more.
yep, sadly.
Sadly,
Yeah, I need 200 cash.
2,000.
Oh my god, I got 55 diamonds.
55, wow. How much have I have to do about it?
Sadly.
I keep getting like lots of money. You can get the barrier. You can get this.
Oh yay! I need this. Alright, I'm
Make sure people can't get it, guys. So whilst we're playing this, no one will be trying to get us. Okay? I got my primary weapon.
What did you get? Whoa!
I'm just going to with it and I'll see.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna keep on building until I get my weapon. You like defend the base.
Yeah, I'll defend. That guy's flying.
Yeah, I really wish we could get flying power though. You've got golden armor, so lucky. Alright.
She just killed me.
Ooh, let's see.
I want anything.
Yeah, Evie's really laggy right now. So
I can get the second floor.
yeah. Oh, you can get the second floor, lucky. Alright.
Let me just show you.
Kind of.
Oh, really?
Like, I need like 2,000 more.
Okay.
Like, I need 1,500 more.
I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna go.
I'm not gonna get my barrier because I don't think it will help as much. Like, we've already got a barrier. Alright, I think I just need 1,000 more. Or 900. No, 800.
No, I just died again. Sorry. I
Sorry.
killed one, but then I died.
I can get my primary weapon. What did we get? Oh,
Oh, we got a gun.
I don't think that's that good.
We've got an upstairs one, so don't worry.
Yeah. We got a pistol, basically.
Oh no, that knife is so good. Like, just one hit and we're dead.
Next, I'm gonna get my barrier, so I basically need 300 more. I wish you could donate because then that'd
We
be.
don't kill each other then.
Oh yeah, I can get my barrier. All right.
I think you get the first
Oh, you can get stairs. Cool. I might save up now. I might start stop buying stuff.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go and get killed.
Okay.
Wait, just before I go, I'm gonna go get your weapon. It's pretty cool.
Is it?
Yeah. But I didn't read the fire with but
Yeah. Okay, so yeah.
somebody killed me. Oh, get him down.
I think you should get first floor lights because they're way too good.
Okay, I've got 3,000 something.
Get your first floor lights over here.
But you got.
Oh, cool. You just got a gold shield and sword.
Get that. That one that you can ask, and you've got a really good.
Okay, so basically, people are killing.
No. I nearly escaped my
Okay, so basically, Evie is trying to fight, and I am just trying to build my base as much as she's built hers. Someone's in our base. Someone's in our base. Pew, pew, pew. You kill her.
Oh, she's gone now.
I got my second floor.
Okay. I've got 5,000. I'm so close.
I need like 2,000 more.
Okay.
No, like I need
My next
3,000.
weapon, I've got my next weapon. It's a grappling hook.
Grappling hook, that's what I love. That's my favourite weapon. I wasn't going to say for you guys because like
Whoa,
it's the best.
guys, I just like grappling hook.
Yeah, I love the grappling hook. It's like amazing. So like you could grapple hook into people's faces and everything. It's like
What?
amazing. Like I'm gonna go into this person's face and
Someone
like
just killed me and I don't know how. I'm gonna go get the grappling hook.
yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god, we're so
George, George just killed me.
Yeah, he's meant to kill us, I think.
But remember at the beginning we said that there's a rule. We're not gonna kill each other.
Okay. No killing.
Now I lost the weapon.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, let's see.
You thought you were so smart, George.
Alright, let's just like grapple hook onto this person thing, like
What,
statue.
seriously? That keeps killing me. I should have just grabbed a hook inside of the face.
Alright, I'm just gonna grapple hook it on this space because why not?
Okay. I've got 4,000, so yay.
Alright, I got into someone's base and we get these weapons. Oh no, I'm running. I'm scared. This girl broke into our base. Oh no, I died once again. I tried to sneak into people's faces. And sorry if I'm being really quiet, I'm trying to be serious. Like, I'm trying to really, like, do stuff. So, yeah. I might, like, have, like, 4 more minutes, and then we might end it here, so, yeah. Alright. Ooh. Alright. Why don't you get upgrades wall 4? I think I'm stuck. Okay. Yeah, cool. Okay, so, Evie, I think there's a lot of stuff that you can get up here. You can either get a second conveyor. Ooh, I can get some.
Okay, I've got 9,000.
I think I just got my next weapon. Ooh, my weapons aren't that great.
They're still good.
George, we don't steal your weapons. Wow. You're silly. Alright, what's this? Someone tried to get into our base with a rock. 2 rocks. Okay. Okay guys, I think we should end it here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and if you really want to, comment down below and you may even get a shout out in my next video. Okay guys, bye!